Hi, this is LaLiLu. Today we're unboxing Lali the Ballerina. Let's see. Oh, what's this? Got it. Taking the doll out. Where did she go?
I couldn't wait. I want to become a ballerina.
Yeah? Draw a leotard sketch.
Myself. Hop.
Hey, let me do it, okay? This needs a very careful touch. And done, just like that. Want to try it on? Put it on. I'll decorate it with a shiny heart. Time for point shoes. I paint them right on the legs. A thin brush is a must here. Voila!
Now I can dance. Wow, am I getting a new look?
Hey, that's why we're in the workshop. Let's design your style.
Looks awesome. Let's try.
We're getting a coloring page. Click right here. Now we print it. Insert the paper. Oh, here it comes. And here's our sketch.
Time to get creative.
This part will be pink. Let me help you.
Like this. LaLiLu, I'm tired. The pencil is so heavy.
Take a break. I'll finish it. Coloring the hair. Adding blue strands. Now the tutu. Blue sleeves. Aw, Lali fell asleep. So cute. I'll switch to markers. Blue and pink hearts. Socks and point shoes. Now let's add sparkle. I apply glue and spread it with a brush. Sprinkle glitter on top. Bright blush on the cheeks. Let's color the background.
Is it done already?
Yep, just need to cut it out, like this.
And how do I become like her?
You need to show your love.
Okay, I'll try. Come on, let's go. Oh, right, like this.
Love works wonders.
Ta-da! Here I am. Perfect. Now I'm ready for ballet school. Hurry, we're signing up for dance class. Oh, I have to go. Nice, I'll sign up too. Excuse me. Sorry, let me through. Hi, girls. Hi, I'm Lali. Nice to meet you. Want to be friends? Forever. All right, I'm signing up.
Wait! No partner, no class.
No way.
What do you mean? We have partner classes.
Hi, Emily. Lizzie, no time, no see.
Will I be alone? Oh, no worries. I'll try to get someone's attention. He might work. Great, that's my partner. Let's go. Oops.
I suddenly feel like dancing ballet.
Whoa.
Oops, a little off.
Oops, la la la. I always knew I had a dancer's soul. Ew. Slipped a little. My car! Will you be my partner?
Okay.
Let's write our names.
Yay! Oh, I forgot. I need a training bag. LaLiLu, hurry up.
No worries, we'll order everything right now. This little bag is totally for you.
And you'll buy it for me? Really? Really?
Of course. Boom. Done.
Now we just need to craft it.
Cut out the template along the outline. I score the folds with a ruler, but not all the way through. That's it. Ready to fold.
Oh, let me help.
I apply glue and attach the folds. The bag is ready.
Something's missing. Let me think. Got it! Decorations!
Wow, there's so much here. Let's take a look. What a cute ruffle. Let's trim the edges with it. Voila!
Let's add some beads, too.
Nice, it looks beautiful. I'll glue them right here. A cord handle. All set, a training bag is ready.
Okay, what do I need? Ice cream, a towel, definitely ice cream. Water, one more cone, oh, and another one. All right, I packed the essentials. Let's go.
I think you forgot something, like all of this. Yep.
Let's go to class. Ready for practice?
Yeah, you look amazing.
Whoa.
Oh, stop it.
Let's begin with the first move. The splits? Easy peasy.
Oh, I'm getting nervous. I need a snack. Where are my supplies? Water? Nope. But here's ice cream. Hop! I did it!
Now, fouette. Repeat after me.
Oh, this is harder. Where's the chocolate one? My stress cure. Oh, so yummy. You're doing great. All right, now I'm ready. Fouette day. Woohoo! Oops.
Gotcha.
Oh, thanks, partner.
Now, the lift. Yeah.
But before that, I definitely need
Ice cream?
Yum, yum, yum. Is there more?
Here you go.
Now I'm full of energy. 1, 2, 3, hop. Done! Voila, super jump. Hi, LaLiLu.
Oh, Lali, you look gorgeous. But where's your ballerina outfit?
That's why I'm here.
Ballerina makeover checklist.
Nice! Where do we start?
Let's see. We've got a bodysuit, a tutu, and point shoes. Let's begin with the first step. I already sewed the bodysuit. Try it on. Stunning, it fits you perfectly. Checking off step 1. Okay, next is the skirt. Oh, Lali, what's this?
I don't know which color to choose.
Let's take both. Smile and come here. Pink and blue. Step onto the runway.
Wow!
Raise your arms. Great. Attach the ruffles on the sides and start wrapping the doll around.
Stop! I'm dizzy.
But the skirt turned out just right.
Give me the phone.
Hey, here you go.
I need to take a selfie.
Lali looks so cute. A stylish look of a real ballerina. Awesome. Step 2 is done.
All right, I'm off.
What? Oh, wait. How are you going to dance in sneakers? You need point shoes.
Oh, right, I totally forgot.
Give me your foot. Let's take off the shoes and apply hot glue. Perfect. Now they're ribbons. Wrap them neatly. That's it. Now you're truly ready.
I've got a show. Let's go. Wow, so many people. The whole school is here. Oh, how I'm scared.
Hey, don't be nervous.
Oh, but my partner is late.
He'll probably be here soon. Hey, Lali, guess who?
Anatolio.
You look absolutely incredible.
Yay, you came.
Wow.
I'm so glad to see you.
The show is just starting.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
So, are you ready?
Yep. Time to show what our dance duo can do. Wow, what an incredible performance.
Hop. Amazing.
Now comes the difficult move.
And woohoo!
What spins?
Oops. Oh no, she's falling. Oh.
Gotcha.
They did it.
See, we made it.
It's all thanks to you. Lali, we love you. You're the best.
Those are fans. Run, I'll hold them off.
Thank you.
I'll find you. Whoa, slow down.
Phew, that was close.
Easy, breathe. Relax at the LaLiLu salon. Make yourself comfortable.
Wow, cool.
First, let's change your hairstyle. Comb, hair dryer, a little stylist magic, whoosh, and the look is done.
So cute.
Now makeup. These stickers look super glam. I'll place one here, another on the other side, add highlights to the eyes, one more. Butterfly suit, Lali. Gorgeous.
I have to post this on Insta. Hey everyone, how do you like my new look?
Very cute, Lali, but I'll take the phone for now.
Hey, why?
No time to relax, your prima transformation awaits. See, you need to match the cover.
Wow, what are we waiting for?
Agreed. Stunning. Let's pick you a new dress. How about green?
Something's off.
No. Okay, next. Oh, what about this one? Not quite right either. Oh, this one is perfect. Pink and so sparkly.
Wow, it's adorable.
Boom, here's the fabric. I stitch it by hand. Done. Layering several skirt pieces together. Take off the old tutu and try it on. Lali, try moving.
Hop. It's very comfy. Thank you, LaLiLu.
That was amazing. You're so talented. Now let's work on the top. A rhinestone chain, attach it to the top. And soft feathers. Glue them on the shoulders. Decorate the legs with a chain. Done! Lali is a true prima. And those point shoes.
I have an interview. Hop. What an entrance. Hello to all my fans. Lali, you're the best.
Our viewers want to know how you achieved success.
It's all thanks to the support of my loved ones. It's a very touching story. I used to be so small and clumsy, but LaLiLu gave me hope. Then I was invited to a ballet school. That's where I found new friends and the best partner. I was so nervous before my first show, but he supported me. We were the perfect dance duo. But then we were separated. Fame has its downsides. I miss Anatolio so much. I lost him.
Careful, don't stain the costume. Huh?
So touching and sad.
Yes, touching, very sad. What do you dream about now that you have everything?
I dream of being with Anatolio again. I want to meet my friend, dance with him again. It would be so wonderful to see how he's living now. We could get cats and live together, drink Pepsi. I want.
What a fascinating story. Anatolio, if you see this, come find her. Oh my gosh, it's Lali.
Whoa.
I've been looking for you for so long.
Buddy, you need to get to her right now. Oh, but not empty-handed. I'll make a bouquet for Lali. I put scraps into the blender. Go! Nice, we got little roses. I place them on a foam heart. We need bright accents. Let's add red roses along the edge. I'll decorate the outline with lace. Wrap for the bouquet and a cute bow. Here, Lali will love it.
Thank you, but I need to hurry to her. You've just seen Lali's signature super jump. I'm here! Oh, Antolio has been found. Say a few words. Oh, where's Lali?
Huh?
Oh, I'm so happy I found you. I missed you so much. Why are you silent? Did you forget me? Oh no, I'm so upset. Looks like that super jump is taking a while. And here comes Lali.
Ta-da! It's so beautiful! Spins!
What? Is that Lali? Hey! This is for you.
Antolio, what a gorgeous bouquet! Finally, we're together again. I'm so happy.
A great reunion.
What an interesting story.
Now we'll never be apart. I have something else. Will you be my queen?
Wow, oh my!
Let me get a close-up.
Thanks for watching my story.
How do you like the result in Lali's look? Share your thoughts in the comments. See ya!
And now we're off to live our best life.